Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to become a part of this trending video called the Gym Vibe. So the Gym Vibe is a filter which you use on TikTok to change yourself or someone else who you're recording into a gym wear. So let me show you how to create these videos on TikTok. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in TikTok, you're looking for the following filter called the Gym Vibe. Now you should see it in the effects section here. If you don't, go ahead and tap on those videos that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here. And just above the username, you'll see effect Gym Vibe. So go ahead and tap on that. So these are all the videos that are doing the trend using that filter. Now for those of you who cannot see this filter, unfortunately it's not available in your region. However, TikTok is slowly rolling it out for everyone once it becomes very trending. I have pasted a link to this filter in the description down below, so maybe you could tap on it and use it on your phone. So let's go ahead and see. So let's go ahead and create a video using this effect. So go ahead and tap on use this effect. Now you want to go ahead and show full body and then tap on the record button. So now once you do this, this will change the wear of that person to a gym wear. So once you're happy, tap on the tick. And now you've created the video using the Gym Vibe filter on TikTok. So there you go, guys. That is how to create the Gym Vibe trend video on TikTok. So if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.